up guys, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see today, it's a totally different me. You guys have never seen me in a wig before, but that's okay. This is not my first time wearing a wig. However, this has been my first time installing a wig on myself, and actually guys, I'm telling you, I feel really proud. I know that some mistakes were made. You guys can always list that in the comment section down below, but I'm here to review this here. Okay guys, so if you're interested in listening, I want you to like this video. At least guys, get me to at least 30 likes on this video. I'm not asking for too much. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about my YouTube channel and subscribe. Alright, so want to tell me how my ear look too. Tell me how it looking at the comment section guys. Me not tell no lie. I feel proud of myself and I can't stop smiling. So bear with me because this is my first time installing a wig. I think I did a pretty good job. So let me know in the comment section down below. Alright, so this here, it came from Amazon. All of the hairs that I'm reviewing guys, it came from Amazon. So this hair company is called Telbean. Here they sell 100% human hair, and this is one of their products. This is actually, it's not a T-part wig, because right here it's like it's a closure wig guys. See, may I tell you, we're getting into this wig thing, but it is a closure wig. The hair quality is really nice. It's light, so you know, even though it's hot right now in the summer, you can always wear it out, and it's not even gonna feel like nothing heavy is on your head, sorry, because it is light. So what I did was, when it came, actually I had to part it because it came with like a free part, so I decided to go with a center part, and I part it in the center. So, and what I also did was it came pre-plucked by the way, but I also did a little plucking by myself because it was a little bit too high for me, but I think it's at my desired I think it's at a desired place right now. And I went ahead and made two little baby here to make it look official guys. I'm really proud of myself. Also about this here, it doesn't really shred. I find that it has minimum shredding by the way, so it's pretty manageable and it's really quick and easy. What I'm going to do though, because currently I don't know if you guys can see my lace, but let me know. Currently what I did was, it's not glued. What I did was to put a little Gots to Be glue on it and tie it down to get it, I guess, flat. Yes, so so it's a Got to Be glue that I have in the front right here. What else? So the hair came in this bag, and it came with a lot of things. They gave me some gifts, like some stickers. I got some stickers in it, like tattoo sticker. I got this headband, the wig cap, not headband, the wig cap. It also came with another little gift with this grab, so you know, when I'm finished I can also wrap up my hair and grab it with this clip. Yeah, pretty cute and nice, love that. Yes, and it also came with these earrings. I actually have these earrings in now. It's like a dove looking earring, really like it, is nice. So yes, and it was a part of the hair, so love that. What else about this hair? I think that's it guys, really. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the hair. The hair was less than $100, so if you're on a budget to get a wig and you know you don't want to spend over 100 US dollars, this wig will suit you really nice. Love it, actually light, as I keep saying to you guys. So just click the link in the description down below if you'd like to purchase this hair. Okay, until next time guys, bye.